This home does overlook a retention pond as well. Let's take a look outside. Welcome, friends. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Calumet Grove. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco courtyard villa. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome, friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Today's an open house video of a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco courtyard villa located here in the village of Calumet Grove in the Villages, Florida. This home is very nicely painted. The driveway is cement, and it does have a stone front and side yard motif. It also has beautiful landscaping as well. As always, friends, please contact the listing agent, Donna Pattemore, if you have any questions about this home. This courtyard villa does have a 1.5 car garage and is neutrally painted as well. Here we are looking at the front entry area. It does have a pebble surface covering the cement leading into the entry area of this home. Let's go inside and take a look. Here we are standing in the foyer area. Hello, Donna. Can you describe this home a little bit for my viewers?
Hi, Tim. Thank you for coming over to take a look. Yes, this home is located at 17124 Southeast 78th Crowfield Avenue in the village of Calumet Grove and in Cameron Villas. It's a wonderful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom block and stucco courtyard villa. It actually sits on the golf course, Oakley Golf Course, and has a terrific water view. You get an amazing sunset in the evenings, and it's just pure joy to live here.
Okay, thank you, Donna. What I'll do is I will walk through the home and I'll describe what I see. And if we have any questions and the subscribers have any questions, I'll leave your contact information in the description of the video and they can contact you.
Oh, thank you. And we'll be holding an open house here today from 1 to 3 this afternoon, and hopefully some of your subscribers will come see this lovely home for themselves.
Okay, great. Open home today from 1 to 3.
That is correct.
I do appreciate it, Donna. Thank you for letting us know that. Here we are in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this luxury vinyl plank floor. As I pan to the left, I do see a guest bedroom and a laundry room. That door will lead out into the 1.5 car garage. In front of the foyer area, you do see the kitchen. Let's go into the guest bedroom and take a look. I do notice these beautiful vinyl plank floors do continue in this guest bedroom. Very neutrally decorated. It does have knockdown texture on the ceilings as well. This bedroom does have bifold raised paneled doors. And I know some of my subscribers want to see what the closets look like. You can see the vinyl plank floor continues as well. As I step into the corner of this guest bedroom, you can see it is very neutrally decorated. Off into the hallway, we do have a laundry room with a sliding pocket door. The laundry room does have white cabinets, has a window, it's nice and bright. Those vinyl plank floors do continue in this laundry room area. It does have raised panel bifold doors. Let's take a look at what that looks like here in the laundry area. Has wire rack shelf units as well. Off into the garage area, this is a 1.5 car garage. This is a block and stucco courtyard villa located here in the Cameron Villas in the Villages, Florida. That is a 1.5 car garage. You should be able to get a car and a golf cart in this garage fairly comfortably. The golf cart would go on that side of the garage near the heating system. Looks like this home has a in-home vacuum cleaning system as well. That's what that appears to be, the new tone. The golf cart does not go with the home, just so you know. Let's go inside the home and take a look at the kitchen area. I will now go into the kitchen and describe to my viewers what the kitchen looks like. Here is the kitchen. This is a U-shaped kitchen. The vinyl plank floors continue. It has white cabinets, very high ceilings with knockdown texture and recessed lighting. It has a natural gas stove with Formica countertops. It does have a tile backsplash as well. Very nice. The sink is a 2-bowl stainless sink. Very large kitchen, U-shaped kitchen. This is a courtyard villa model located here in Calumet Grove in the Villages, Florida. I will video the specification sheet so everyone has the particulars of this home. Walking off into the dining and living area, very high ceilings with knockdown texture. Vinyl plank floors continue. You do have a sliding patio door that leads off to the side patio. This is the specification sheet. Please refer to the listing agent, Donna, if you have any questions. The address is 17124 Southeast 78th Crowfield Avenue here in the Villages. List price $435,000. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom courtyard villa made of block and stucco. Please feel free to pause the video at any point to read the specification sheet. I will flip the specification sheet over so you can get the room dimensions. There are your room dimensions, friends. Living room is 14 by 15, dining room is 11 by 10. As always, please contact Donna, the listing agent, if you have more questions about this home. Here we are in the living room area. Very neutral paint I notice in this home. This home is very light and bright as well. Lots of windows. The lanai does face west. If you're wondering about the direction of this home, this is an enclosed, temperature-controlled lanai as well. Very nice with knockdown texture ceilings, large sliding patio doors, large window, vinyl plank flooring continuing. There is your temperature-controlled lanai. It does have a HVAC duct. This home does overlook a retention pond as well. Let's take a look outside. Very nice. This is the West Retention Pond here in Calumet Grove in the Cameron Villas. You can see the surface. It does have the pea gravel surface covering the cement. This is the side of the home. That would be facing east. It does have the stone landscape motif here as well. Low maintenance. As I mentioned several times before, these courtyard villas do appeal to those individuals that want low maintenance on their yard and they want privacy. Very nice home. This home does also have a bird cage as well. Here you can sit in this bird cage if you wanted to stay away from the insects. Bird cage does have a screened-in roof as well, looking off to the back of the home. Please refer, friends, to the specification sheet if you have any questions about this home. You can also contact Donna, the listing agent, as well. Let's go back inside the home. Let's take a look at the master bedroom area. This is a panoramic view from the lanai into the living and dining and kitchen area. Very beautiful home. Here I am going into the bedroom. This would be the master bedroom. It is located in the back of the home. Very high ceilings with knockdown texture. It does have plantation shutters as well. You will see a walk-in closet. Very high ceilings. There is your walk-in closet, friends. It does have the vinyl laminate floor continuing with wire rack shelves. It does have a solar tube also in that closet. Very nice. The master bathroom does have tile floors. It has white cabinets, Formica countertop. It has one sink. Very high vaulted ceilings. It does have a solar tube as well. There's your floors, your commode space. It looks to me like it appears to have a 36-inch shower module with a recessed light above the shower module. It does have glass door. That shower module does appear to be either fiberglass or plastic. Very nice. Very bright home. Very good viewing out the back of this home as well. We do have one more guest bedroom to take a look at. Here's another guest bedroom, and it has a guest bathroom as well. Very high ceilings, knockdown texture. The guest bedroom does have a sliding pocket door. The vinyl laminate flooring continues in this guest bedroom. Knockdown texture on the ceilings. Plantation shutters. This guest bedroom does have raised panel bifold doors as well. Very nice home. Located here in the northern part of the Villages, in the village of Calumet Grove. Thank you for liking my videos, friends. Thank you for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. Here's another panoramic view of the kitchen. Down the hallway. Panning to the right here in the living area, off back to the patio. The patio does face west, friends, just for your information. I think we're ready to exit this home. I know some of my subscribers want to see what the kitchen pantry looks like. That is your kitchen pantry right there. I am standing in the kitchen. That is your pantry. Let's take a walk out to the street, friends. I will take a panoramic view of the street. I'll give you the directions this home faces. Very nice home. I do appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Subscribing is free. Thank you for liking my videos. As always, friends, If you have more questions about this home, please contact Donna at Realty Executives. I'll take a panoramic view of the street. So this direction is facing east. That would be facing south, friends. This is facing north. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. This is your home, friends. 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa made of block and stucco. Take care, everybody. Thank you for going on this open house tour with me here in the village of Calumet Grove in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco courtyard villa. Take care, everybody.